Hello everyone, let's learn colors. First, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, dark green color, light blue color, dark blue color, pink color, violet color, brown color and black color. Let's draw using these colors. First is A. A for apple, aeroplane, ant. Next is B. B for ball, bat and banana. Next is C. C for cat, cow and cherry.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Now let's color it. I'm coloring A with pink color. Red color for the apple. Now I'm using green color for the leaf. I'm coloring B with yellow color. Now using yellow color for the banana. I'm coloring C with red color. Cherry will be red in color. And I'm using green for the leaf and the stem. Hope you all enjoyed. See you in my next video. Bye bye.